So there is absolutely no time for an introduction. Hi, my name is V. I'm a third year classical archaeology and ancient history student at the University of Oxford. I have to do this on a Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday every single week. I have about half an hour to get ready. I wake up at 8 o'clock because I will not compromise my sleep. Wake up at 8 o'clock and my lectures start at 9, but they're about 20 minutes away, so I have to be ready in about half an hour so I can get there on time. So I'm going to get in the shower and then we'll chat later because there's actually genuinely no time. I'm sorry you're always having to see me like this in the state, but guys, this is university. Okay, so now it's 8:04, 4 minutes past 8. I've done my bed a little bit. I'll do it better when I get back. Now it's time to brush my teeth and shower quickly because I just can't leave without showering unless I have an essay crisis. That's the only time that you will find me not showered. But time to quickly shower and then I'll catch up with you again. Okay, so I'm out the shower. That's what always takes me the longest. That was a really nice shower. I'm cold now. Time to choose something to wear. Let's go, go, go. So I'm in my closet and I come in here and for me it's really easy. It's quite messy, I'm so sorry. It's quite easy to choose what to wear because I live in sweats. If you guys watch this channel a lot, you'll know that I literally live in tracksuits and leggings, and at uni I just want to be comfortable. So I'm gonna put lotion on, put cream on my body, get warm because you know when you're like cold from being in the shower, like it's really, really cold, and then I'll chat to you soon. Okay, so now I'm dressed. We've gone for a simple grey joggers, which I love. Like I just keep buying these from Topshop because I love them, and just a simple tee from H&M. Now here's where the tea's piping hot. Let's do a time check. Should probably be 20 past now. Yes, it's 19 minutes past. Can you see this? It's 19 minutes past 8, which is exactly what time I want it to be. So now I'm going to do my makeup. Like, this is the 5-minute makeup routine. Everyone's always like, how do you do your makeup so quickly in the morning? And done. This is the face that you guys see every single day, and that took us 3 minutes. It's now 8:22. I also have to end with some Vaseline because we can't have dry lips. Then the next part of my morning routine is doing my hair. Now, as you can see, I don't have hair. Like, I do have hair, but it's underneath this and it's just braided down. So I wear wigs. So for me, my hair is already done. This is her. This is my hair right here in my hand. So all I have to do is put that on my head and my hair's done. So I always make sure it's straightened and it's always done. And because I'm at school today, we always just pop on a headband. There we go. My hair is done. And then I just put on my jewellery because, I don't know, you know, do you ever have that weird thing where you just need to have your jewellery on, otherwise you don't feel like you are like ready for your day? Okay, so we are basically done and it's now 25 minutes past 6 and we are essentially finito. So now my bag is packed, I'm dressed. With the last 3 minutes, I usually come here, sit down and just write down like what I've got planned for today. And yes, I do use the Jack Academic Study Planner because it's actually really good, as in it just makes things easier for you to see what's coming up. So for today, there's a few things I actually have to do and I've noted it down, but I need to add something else. Okay, so I have an idea of my to-do list for today. Done. Time to get a jacket on and let's go. So I always try to leave the last 10 minutes of my morning to breakfast, and I know that my class, my lecture is only 20 minutes away. If I leave this room at 8:40, get downstairs for about 8:43, I can ride a bike and get there in plenty of time. So we're gonna have some cereal now and have a little dance, because this is part of like my morning rituals. If you have me on Instagram, you will know that I'm always dancing, just because it wakes me up, it makes me feel happy. Like, I can't describe it, it's just something that's become a part of my, you know, people meditate, some people read, walk, ride a bike. I have to have a little dance. But yeah, we're gonna get on the bike now and cycle to lecture, and yeah, should be fun. We have so many bike racks, it's ridiculous. Like, there's one over there, there's one there, there's another like 4. So like, we have a lot of bicycles. You want bye? Hello, you alright? And we're off. It's 8:43, let's see what time we get there. So guys, we are here at the lecture and it's only 8:54 and it starts at 9, so we're 6 minutes early. I'm gonna park my little bike, get inside and start learning. So thanks so much for watching. Comment down below if you want to see anything else. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!